Utilization of a helicopter to place whole trees into the river channel is an effective means of creating habitat complexity, while preserving desirable vegetative components on adjacent shorelines. The function of the linear structure is to convert a fast-flowing rapid to a series of lateral scour pools, while encouraging inundation of the barren gravel point bar during higher flows. This promotes regeneration of riparian attributes. The more natural-looking logjam on the corner is more aesthetically appropriate in regard to mimicking natural river process and is designed to discourage bank erosion and steer flows away from eroding banks to protect infrastructure. Precise placement of whole trees is achieved by coordinating ground and aerial activities to guide optimal positioning of whole trees to maximize potential for achieving desired results. Determination of placement and associated strategies in regard to objectives are determined in advance utilizing a wide variety of scientific studies that are incorporated into design plans. Areas determined to be functioning properly were not treated, whereas site-specific remedies were devised to address deficiencies with structural configurations unique to the location of need. In some cases, trees were placed passively at margins of the wetted channel to reduce stream width while increasing depth by capturing fine sediments to rebuild streambank characteristics. In other cases, whole trees were placed mid-channel to protect island formation and encourage split-channel diversity. Channel-spanning cross logs are designed to capture mobile woody debris. This promotes aggradation of bed load, which reduces downcutting, promotes floodplain interaction, and diffuses stream energies. Angled placement of trees emulates natural aesthetics while encouraging sinuosity or meandering of a harmonious and efficient river channel. A look below the surface illustrates desired complexity features achieved by restoration actions. Physical changes to habitat trigger response by living organisms. So it's really rewarding to add water to a historical braid without having to excavate more than about 3% of the entire length. Because this braid was already there. It shows up on aerial photos, shows up on the landscape. It was receiving some groundwater input, so you've got sedges that were here. They were basically dry at the surface, but you've got instant gratification in terms of just inundated, fertile vegetation. It's just going to be a juvenile salmonid paradise here soon. This is what we walked into a half an hour before flight time. Surprise. 50 yards from where we're going to set our first logs. It's a free-for-all. Oh! Oh! Very stark in contrast to the pre-treatment condition. There's a couple of root wads we've placed to create a better scour pool, and this springer's taking advantage of the sorting of the gravel adjacent to it and the good hiding cover, and it's digging a red right now. Here's another springer. Good to see. We've seen an increase in fishing use of this area once we built this habitat. You know, our motto was basically build it and they will come, and we were talking about the fish. This is a no fishing zone.